One of the recommendations they said, nevertheless, the mediators team has concluded that it's precisely the lack of sufficient support that leads to delays in performance of a task assigned to the government commissioners. It also leads to unnecessary irritation among the Island Council members if questions from the Island Council cannot be answered in time due to lack of manpower. It also has been established that the Island Council does not receive sufficient expert support to able to carry out their tasks energetically. They further go on to say, the mediator team believes that democracy should be restored as soon as possible, at least after the 2023 elections. If the Netherlands believes that a full restoration of democracy cannot yet be achieved in order to ensure good governance, then the mediator teams believe that in phase, the instrument of a higher supervision by approving decisions of the Executive Council of St. Eustatius should be chosen rather than maintaining the setting aside of Executive Council, the Island Council for a large part, and the Governor. However, supervision must be accompanied by sufficient expert support for the organs of the public body. Restoring democracy by setting up its own Executive Council can help to redress the existing lack of public confidence in the election, and that is what we have been singing as well. We have to go into an election in 2023, a couple of months. As you can see, some of the campaign has started already. And what are you going to go back and tell the constituents, the people of St. Eustatius? And that has been our main issue. We are not in charge of the speed. We are not in charge of the accomplishment, but yet the Island Council is the one being punished. And I should say the people of Statia is being punished for the lack of progression as we work towards the restoration of democracy. And that should not be it. Democracy has been taken away from the public entity of St. Eustatius since 2018. Much has been achieved in the past 4 years, but at the same time, the mediator team notes that the Dutch board, despite its large financial capacity and many experts, has not been able to fully resolve the shortcomings identified in 2018.